हाय एवरीवन। तो चलिए आज स्टार्ट करते हैं ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिजीज़। ठीक है। और इससे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो नीट 2021 के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। और मैं आपको बता दूं इसमें से 2021 के अंदर 3 to 5 क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यूज आने वाले हैं, जिसमें से कि 2 या 3 क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट आपका होगा कोरोना वायरस कोविड-19 के ऊपर। ठीक है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम टॉपिक्स 1 के ऊपर, द कॉमन disease in humans. Okay, so now let's start. So basically this question is belonging to matching questions. Match the following disease with causating organism and select the correct option. Okay, typhoid, pneumonia, filariasis, malaria, Wucheria, plasmodium, salmonella and hemophilia. So the student basically here typhoid. So as we know, typhoid is a salmonella typhi. Okay, very easy. And you also know about the pneumonia is caused by the hemophilus this, and also the filariasis is Wucheria bancroftae given your NCERT. Okay, and malaria due to plasmodium. So this is option go to this A. Okay, now just questions number 2. What is the question number 2? As you know, so basically what? The infective stage of Plasmodium that enter the human body is sporozoites, female gametophytes, male gametophytes, trophozoites. Tell me now. So the infectious stage of the Plasmodium that's entered the human body is what? Sporozoites. Yes, it is asked in NEET 2020. So very easy question. Now let's student question third. Identify the correct pair representing the causating agent of the typhoid fever and the confirmatory test for the typhoid. Plasmodium vivax UTI test, Streptococcus pneumonia Widal test, Salmonella typhi anthron test and Salmonella typhi Widal test. Okay. So what is the correct? This is the question asked from us. Correct we have to choose. Okay. NEET 2020 नहीं 2019. Yeah. So go to the question third. Okay. So what is the basically here? Identify the correct here. So what is the correct? Tell me. So whenever we are reading these concepts, then what we found? Yeah. Salmonella typhi it is a test by Vidal test. Okay. Because why it is this what the explanation of it? So basically student, typhoid is a bacterial disease. Bacterial disease and infection can and also can be lead to the high fever. Okay, whenever typhoid is also a type of fever. Okay, so lead to the high fever and diarrhea and vomiting. So it is caused by the bacterium Salmonella typhi S. typhi. Very simple. Okay, so this is the best answer here. What? Salmonella typhi. Now go to the question fourth. In which disease does mosquito transmitted pathogen cause the chorionic inflammations lymphatic vessel? Elephantiasis, ascaris, amoebiasis and ringworm. खुजली है भाई, खुजली है. So the student here basically what we talking about? Tell me, the disease does mosquito transmitted pathogen cause chorionic inflammation of lymphatic vessel? So it is due to the elephantiasis, hathi paw. Okay, what is the reason behind that? In if we are talking in a biological term, so basically lymphatic filariasis, also known as a elephantiasis in Hindi, hathi paw, is a human disease caused by the parasitic worms known as a filarial worms. It is caused by the ringworm, Wucheria bancrofti, and it is transmitted by the Culex mosquito. Yes, what? Culex mosquito, elephantiasis. Very very easy. And a student, one thing I would like to tell you about the success in NEET is not easy. but it can be done by hard work, by smart work, and by the consistency. Okay, now let's start the question 5. So which of the following is sexually transmitted disease? And that means which of the following is a STDs? So acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, that is AIDS, trichomonasis, encephalitis, and syphilis. Okay, so basically what will be happening? Which of the following is not sexually transmitted disease? You know, student. So basically, encephalitis is a not a STDs. Why behind that encephalitis? Okay, and you know the AIDS is an infectious disease. Syphilis is also, trichomonasis is also, okay, but the encephalitis is not the infectious disease. So that was the reason. Encephalitis is the disease of the inflammation of the brain. What? Yes, it is the inflammation of brain. It is not transmitted sexually, but commonly is caused by the virus. Yeah, this is truth that is caused by the virus, but not transmitted by the sexual STDs. So what will be going to be? Question 6. The active form of the entamoeba histolytica feed upon what? The active form of the entamoeba histolytica feeds upon what? Mucus and submucous mucosa of the colon only, food in the intestine, blood only, erythrocyst, mucosal and submucosal colon. Okay, so what will be happen? Active form of the entamoeba histolytica feeds upon what? Erythrocyst, mucosa and submucosa of what? Colon. Yes. So what is the reason behind that? So the student, if you are talking about that reason, so you know the BGC. What? Yes, tuberculosis vaccine, BGC tika, has inactivated the bacterium in the whooping cough vaccine. They killed the pathogen of the what? Bordetella pertussis, which cause the whooping cough. In DPT, what? Diphtheria toxis is present. Sabine polio vaccine it contain the inactivated virus. What, student? DPT, diphtheria toxin is present. Sabine polio vaccine. So that was the reason. Here the best matching to be got here. Tuberculosis, whooping coughs, diphtheria, polio. So option B is more correct here, because why? This is because tuberculosis belonging to what? Harmless bacteria. Okay, and whooping cough killed bacteria, and diphtheria is inactivated toxicated. Polio is harmless virus. This is the reason. So the best option is here, option B. Okay, student. So go to the questions. Which of the following endoparasite of the humans does? So the viviparity, Enterobius vermiculus, Trichinella spiralis, Ascaris lumbricoides, Encyclostomata duodenella. Okay, so tell me about the endoparasite of the human does. So the viviparity. This word you have to focus, viviparity. Okay. So basically, students, it is because of Trichinella spiralis. Why behind the region? So whenever you're talking about the Trichinella asparagus is the endoparasite. Yes, you know about the endo and exo words, very similar here. Found the human intestine, okay? So it is smallest nematode, producing the larva in large number. These larvae bore a intestine of the humans behind enter the blood and lymphatic system. So that was the reason behind that. We go to the question 9th, and we are discussing which are asked in 2015 is very very important. And a student, one thing always remember, to be a NEET champion you need help from champion. Okay, so always learning, keep motivated yourself. Now let's start the new questions. There is ninth. So, which of the following diseases caused by the protozoan? Influenza, babesiosis, blastomasis, and syphilis. Okay. So the student here tell me about the protozoan disease. It is given your NCERTs. Okay, it's very easy. Direct question it is basically. So babesiosis is the protozoan disease. I hope you understand it. So is a mainly like a rare infectious disease. It is you can see okay it is a rare infectious disease caused by protozoan babesio. In where? In the disease hemoglobinuria, fever takes place. So that was the reason. Select the wrong statement. Hello student, you have to select the wrong statement which is asked in our PMT 2025 RS. Okay, fine. Not 2015. It meets interpretation. And the question 10. What will be the correct? You have to study carefully. W. M. Stanley showed that virus could be crystallized. The term contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Wizarnik. Mosaic disease in the tobacco and the AIDS in the human being are caused by the viruses. Okay, so the viroid were discovered with the disease. Even Hosky. Okay, so what do they select? Sorry, wrong statement. Basically, we have to choose this. The viruses are discovered by the disease does not mean by the Allu Arjun DJ, but DJ Avinaski. Okay, so this is a because we know that in 1971 T.O. Denier discovered the viroid which are smaller than the viruses. So that's what the reason behind that, and let's stop it